Welcome to Span TV. In this video, we will see how to cook mango dal. Raw mango is a seasonal fruit and it is mostly available during summer in India. We will see how to cook mango dal in 3 steps. Step 1. Boil dal either in pressure cooker or a pan. Take a pressure cooker, add lentil, add toor dal and add 2 cups of water. Now pressurize it until water evaporates. Now stir dal to make a paste. Step 2. Infuse mango. Take a pan, add raw mango cubes, green chillies and turmeric. Now add 1 cup of water and let it boil for 5 minutes. Make sure mango should be soft and retain its shape. Once mango is cooked, remove the lid. Add salt, chilli powder and pinch of turmeric. Keep stirring to make sure no lumps of chilli powder. Now add the dal paste. Keep stirring slowly to remove any dal lumps. You can add required amount of water to get the desired consistency. Step 3. Tempering. Take another pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add jeera, mustard, hing, urad dal, red chilli and garlic. Let them sizzle. Now add curry leaves and coriander. When they start sizzling, pour the mixture to dal. Take the dish into a serving bowl and enjoy. In some places of India, people do enjoy dal rice with mango pickle. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, comment and share. Also subscribe to Span TV for more videos.